Hello and welcome. If you're considering developing a parking app in Singapore, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down the costs, features, and essential steps to create a user-friendly and profitable app. Imagine driving around Singapore's busy streets, searching for parking. 20 minutes later, you're still circling the block. Frustrating, right? Parking apps solve this by letting users find, book, and pay for spots in real time through their smartphones. Not only does a parking app solve a major problem, but it also offers a great business opportunity. But a big question remains: how much does it cost to develop a parking app in Singapore? Cost breakdown for developing a parking app. The cost of a parking app depends on factors like app complexity, feature set, and platform choice, iOS, Android, or both. In Singapore, a basic app generally costs between $20,000 and $150,000. Advanced apps with rich features can go over $100,000. Factors influencing development costs. 1. App complexity. Low complexity, $10,000 to $30,000, 3 to 4 months to develop. Medium complexity, $30,000 to $70,000, 4 to 9 months. High complexity, $70,000 to $150,000 plus, over 10 months. 2. Development platforms. Native, iOS/Android, $50,000 to $100,000. Cross-platform, $25,000 to $60,000. Hybrid, $10,000 to $150,000 based on complexity. 3. Feature integration. Essential features like user registration, payment, GPS, and notifications add $10,000 to $100,000. Advanced features like AI-based suggestions or IoT sensor integrations raise costs further. 4. Design and user experience. A well-designed interface costs $5,000 to $20,000 and is crucial for user engagement. 5. API integrations. Payment gateways, maps, and other services can add $2,000 to $20,000. 6. Maintenance and updates. Monthly maintenance costs range from $2,000 to $10,000 for regular updates. Steps to develop a parking app in Singapore. Research the market. Start by studying Singapore's parking market, understanding user needs, analyzing competitors, and spotting gaps. Identify how your app can uniquely solve problems for users. Choose a reliable development partner. Select an experienced app development company that shares your vision. A skilled team is key to your app's success and seamless functionality. Define key features. Outline essential features like real-time parking availability, secure payment options, user profiles, and notifications. Design and prototype. Your development team will design a prototype to showcase the app's look and user experience, allowing you to visualize the final product. Develop and test. After approving the prototype, development begins. This involves coding the front and back ends, integrating APIs, and ensuring all features work well. The app is then tested for any bugs or issues. Launch and maintain. Launch the app on platforms like Google Play and the Apple App Store. Remember, launching is only the start. Regular maintenance and updates are essential to keep the app optimized and relevant. By following these steps, you'll be on the path to building a successful and user-friendly parking app tailored to Singapore's unique market needs. Revenue generation. To ensure a steady income, consider revenue models like subscription fees, commissions, or referral programs. And there you have it. Developing a parking app in Singapore can be a valuable investment with careful planning. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights. Thanks for watching.